Welcome to the International Interlibrary Loan Toolkit tutorial. This is what the toolkit looks like. In this tutorial, you will learn 3 things about the International Interlibrary Loan Toolkit. First, let's talk about what the International Interlibrary Loan Toolkit is. The toolkit is a free crowdsourced asset, a Google Sheet. The purpose of the toolkit is to promote the ease of global resource sharing activities. The toolkit was initiated by interlibrary loan practitioners in 2021. The toolkit continues to grow. Now, Resource Sharing Collaborative and Voluntary Document Delivery, also known as RSCVD, and the International ILL Toolkit, have joined forces to facilitate global resource sharing between libraries. Both initiatives seek to build bridges between different national ILL systems and better facilitate the transfer of knowledge and communication between libraries. Here are 3 things in the toolkit: a list of lenders from around the world, interlibrary loan request templates in multiple languages, and tips and tricks by country and region. First, let's take a look at the ILL Toolkit. It is a cloud-based spreadsheet composed of 5 tabs. They are lenders outside the US, US lenders, tips by country and region, request templates by language, as well as a brief history about the toolkit. Each tab contains specific information. A list of lenders from around the world. Now let's dive into the toolkit and discover what tools are available there. First, the number of lenders. To date, the toolkit has more than 300 international lenders and about 70 US lenders, for a total of nearly 380 lenders from around the world. Lender information, beyond OCLC. Lender information includes OCLC symbols and the International Standard Identifier for Libraries and Related Organizations, ISIL. The symbol defines and promotes the use of a set of standard identifiers for the unique identification of libraries and related organizations, with a minimum impact on already existing systems. The ISIL is very important, familiar, and useful to many library staff outside of the United States. There are also links to the ILL website and ILL emails to help you to locate the lender's primary contact information and their policies. The online catalogs help you quickly check libraries holding information and availability at the item level. Union catalogs and unique databases. Union catalogs and databases specific to country or region are other useful information listed on the toolkit. So far, the toolkit has 11 union catalogs. Here are a couple of examples in Europe, Germany and Poland. In Germany, the Karlsruhe Virtual Catalog, KVK, is a search engine that gives access to millions of books, magazines, and other media from library and book trade catalogs across Europe. In addition, the Common Union Catalog, GVK, covers the holdings records of more than 1,000 member libraries in Germany. In Poland, the NUCAT is a union catalog that contains descriptions of documents that are held by many Polish libraries. National libraries and databases. Japan, CNI. If you ever need materials related to Japanese studies, CNI is the place to go. Spain, Dialnet. Search Dialnet for Spanish-language journal articles from Spain and Latin America. In Canada, the Canadian Theses and Dissertations database indexes more than 425,000 Canadian theses and dissertations from 1965. Request templates in 13 languages. There are templates in 13 languages: Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, English, French, German, Hebrew, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Latvian, Russian, and Spanish. Tips and tricks. Download the toolkit to your computer. Click File on the upper left-hand corner of the spreadsheet, then click Download. Choose the file format you wish to download. The toolkit will work best as a spreadsheet. This can be especially helpful if you want to add local notes on the spreadsheet, based on requesting policies and experiences at your own library. Tips and tricks by country and region. After you download the toolkit on your computer, you can use the filter function to get the specific information you need. For example, if you want tips on customs and shipping information, you can filter column B, Tip category. Here are the steps. Select column B, and click the Data tab on the top of the Excel sheet. Then click Filter, and a list of filtering options for column B is displayed. Finally, check the Customs Shipping box, and click Apply. You will get customs and shipping tips for available countries and regions. Here is an example of a tip for customs and shipping. When shipping physical loans from the US to Canada, indicate the item as Other, Library Loan on the customs declaration, and attach a label or a sticker with the text on the right to the package. How to access the toolkit. You can access the toolkit by going to https://bit.ly/3devogeek or by scanning the QR code on the screen. These are just a few things in the ILL toolkit. Please feel free to explore the toolkit and you will discover more. Thank you for using the International ILL Toolkit.